Yo, what's good, y'all? Villainous here. Finally back with another video. Today's video is going to be a short one on how to import Unreal Engine game models into Blender using good old UModel. So if you don't already have UModel downloaded, you can go to guildor.org and download ueviewer/UModel. But since I already have UModel downloaded, I don't need to do that. So we open up UModel, and I recommend for whatever game you're working with today, we're going to use Guilty Gear Strive as an example, that you have a notepad file or text file with the game path and the AES code. So copy it over, paste. If you know exactly which version of Unreal Engine the game uses, you can override game detection. So Strive uses Unreal Engine 4.25, so Unreal Engine 4, then 4.25. Hit OK, and it's encrypted, so you'll need the AES key. Copy and paste that. Hit OK, and then you'll have access to all these packages. So for Strive, it's red, content, character, hit the drop down, and today we're going to export, Milia. And every character, whether it's Milia, Chip, Axel, in Strive, I'll have the common, costume 1, animation, effect, material, mesh. Should be like somewhat similar for other games as well. But don't be like me, quick tip, don't be like me and export these character files one by one. Do it in mass. So you would go to character, click it, right click, and export folder content. Don't be like me and do it one at a time. But for this example, we're just gonna click on Milia, right click, export folder content, and then ahead of time, definitely have a folder for your UModel exports so that you don't have to go spend 50 years searching for it. I have all these unchecked, and then for the mesh export, I recommend PSK for both of these, PSK, PSKX. You can do GLTF 2.0 as well, because Blender, but I'm pretty sure lets you import that by default. I do not know what the hell MD5 mesh is, but Unreal Engine models use PSA animation since they work with PSK meshes, and we'll cover the plugin for that right after we hit OK and export all of Milia's files. Boom, we're done. We can open up Blender now. Clear all this. Blender, for some reason, does not let you import PSK and PSA files by default, but there is a plugin for that. You can download the zip or the Python file. I'll link this website in the description as well. But if you don't have it installed, you go to preferences, just drag this out, add-ons, install, and then you would look for the zip file, and then once you find the zip, you would hit install add-on, and it's a community add-on, so it'll be in this section, but I already have it installed, so I don't need to do all that. Once you have the plugin installed, you hit import. PSK and PSA should be right next to each other down here. Import the mesh. We'll go to UModel export, character. There's another character file for some reason, or character folder for some reason. Milia, costume 1, mesh, body, head high, and pen board. Because why not? Import PSK. And there you go. You got the mesh and the armature imported into Blender. Alright, so editor Villainous here, and there was a little mishap with trying to showcase the Multiverses import, but Multiverses is an Unreal Engine game, Unreal Engine 4.26 to be specific. So if you have the AES key, you can import multiverse models into Blender. Other games off the top of my head include Fortnite, Valorant, Rocket League, which is on Unreal Engine 3 for some reason, but they are planning to move to 5. King of Fighters 15, Guilty Gear Xrd, Street Fighter 5, Gundam Evolution, Kingdom Hearts 3, Final Fantasy 7 Remake, and Borderlands 3. There's probably tons and tons more. I'll try and find a list of all the Unreal Engine games and link it in the description, but until then, this is Villainous signing off. Peace!